Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to learn about tuples. Okay, in the previous video, we came to know about list and list functions, and today we are going to learn about tuples. So what are tuples? Tuples are used to store values. Just as list, it can contain different sort of values, right? But the only thing which makes tuples different from the list is tuples are immutable. What do I mean by immutable? So immutable meaning that the values in tuples doesn't change. However, in list we can change the values, right? So let's get started with today's video and let me switch back to Visual Studio Code and let me create a new file over here and I'll name it as tuple.py. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are just going to create a new tuple, and in order to create it, we are going to write tuple, and in order to define a tuple, we are making use of circular brackets, okay? And here we'll be storing the values. So let's say that value would be 323 comma 45 45, all right? And now in order to print a tuple, we'll just use print function and followed by the variable name, okay? All right, so when I execute this program, you can see that the tuple has been printed over the console. Now, just now I mentioned that tuples are immutable and the values cannot be changed. So we are going to contradict the same thing. Okay, we are just going to check whether what I said is true or not. Okay, so just type tuple and I want to change the value of the index value 0, that is 323, and I want to change it to 456. Okay, and now when I print this particular stuff over the console, it should throw me an error. And what it should be, it is throwing an error that object does not support item assignment. So whenever you are getting such sort of errors, you just copy it and go to the browser and paste that error message over the browser and search over it. So you will get an idea what it is all about. Okay, so here you can see that it is showing that error is raised when you try to change a value in tuple using assignment. And as we already know that tuples are immutable, and that's the reason we are not able to change the value. However, if you are not getting a clear understanding from the outline message which is given of the over here, you can just go to this website Stack Overflow and you'll definitely get the output over there. All right, let us switch back to the console. Let me comment this stuff out. Okay, now why we are using tuples? So tuples are used to store the fixed value, that is in you might be using Google Maps, right? So there are we have latitudes and longitudes which are the fixed values, okay, so which doesn't change over the program. So those are the places which where we can use tuples. All right, so now we are going to see like can we change the value of list? Like as we already know that list can contain different sort of data types, okay, and since tuple is also a data type, so can we change the value in list? So let us see that thing as well. So I'm going to create a list over here, and in order to define a list we make use of square brackets, and in the list I'm going to store the value of tuples. So it would be 1 comma 2 and comma followed by 3 and 4. Okay, my keyboard is dancing over the floor. Okay, and then 5 comma 6, the last element. Okay, and now when I print this list, it will display all the elements which are stored over there. Okay, see. Okay, let me comment this tuple out in order to get you a clarity. Okay, okay, now I mentioned that the values, the values which are stored in tuples are not mutable, right? And now I'm going to change the value. So I want to change the list and I want to change the value of 0 and I want to make it as 4 comma 5. And now when I printed the element, we are able to see that the values have changed. Now, what's the logic behind that? So basically, I mentioned that tuples are immutable, right? But lists are not. So what we are doing, we are just replacing the existing tuple and printing it over the console. Now, what if I have done something like this? Like if I've changed this thing to something like this, that I have changed the value that is 1 comma 2 and I have changed all the values to 4. And when I execute this program, you can see we are getting the value as 4 comma 3 4 and 5 6. Okay, so what it is doing, it is just replacing the existing tuple. It is not updating the values, right? Remember I said immutable, right? Which means that it won't change over the program. But if you're using if you're using list, and in list you are using tuples, it will replace all the values, right? It won't update the value. All right, so tuples are something which are used for read write only methods. Okay, it is used for read write methods where we know that this value won't be changing. Okay, all right, okay, hope you got today's video and have a great day. Bye bye. So if you're facing any issue, just let me know and we'll definitely make a separate video for that. However, I already told you what are the methods and the things that you are supposed to do whenever you are getting a sort of error, right? So just copy the traceback error that you are getting and copy it over the web, and you'll definitely get a particular documentation for it, and you'll definitely get the output. However, if not, just feel free to reach me out. Okay, thanks.